Hello everyone, welcome to next section of our video. So as we have seen in the earlier section, I'll tell you about Android M, N and O features as well, and how we can develop app in all these different mobile Android versions. So before going directly into app development, we'll discuss something like what is Android M, what are the features available, how you can do the setup for Android app development, and what are the permission models that are available in Android M, that is the Marshmallow Android app. So basically, before going into details, first I'll tell you about some introduction part, what exactly Android M has. So this is a simple PowerPoint I have created, and I'll be going to discuss all these points in my coming section of videos to tell you about Android M. So we'll be seeing about the introduction, where I'll tell you about what's new in Android M, then how you can do the setup in Android Studio, that is the required APIs that needs to be downloaded before you go ahead and do app development for Android M phones. And then we'll see what are the new features in Android M. So basically I'll tell you all the important features of Android M, and then we'll see the permission model, which is very important from a developer perspective, because there are different permissions which has been changed in Android M, and being a developer you have to take care of all these permissions once you start developing your app. And next we will see how you can develop your app in Android M. So I'll tell you about the app development end to end and execution of the app in the Android M phones. So let's begin. So about the introduction, so about Android Marshmallow, Android M, as you know, is known as the Android Marshmallow, that is the 6.0 version of Android mobile operating system. It was first revealed in May 28, 2015 at Google for Nexus 5 and Nexus 6 phones. So it's basically almost 2 years before it was just revealed, and it was only for the Google phones and Nexus 9 tablets with the name as Android M. Later it was officially released in the market in October 2015. So it's not almost, you can say 2 years also it has been launched. It's almost 1 year few months it has been launched now. So Marshmallow primarily focuses on improving the overall user experience of Android 5 Lollipop version. So prior to Marshmallow, as you know, we have the Android 5 versions, that is the Lollipop versions. So introduction in Android Marshmallow, there has been a tremendous changes which Google has done. So it has introducing a new permissions, authenticate user by using their fingerprints, automatic full data backup and restore for apps like website interaction with app link, voice interaction, and to allow users to share content to targets such as contacts within the other apps. So apart from this, there are many other features as well which was introduced in Android Marshmallow phones, and as the coming market, most of the phones are now Android Marshmallow and users are using it. So it's very important from an Android app developer perspective that you understand how the apps are developed for the Marshmallow and what exactly are the new features which are provided by Google. So in the next section of video, we'll be seeing about the setup part, how which APIs needs to be downloaded for Android M in Android Studio. So thank you, and let's see you in the next section.